everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the bead unboxing for the December box for Bargain Bead Box. And I'm very excited about this. This one is called Earthen Elegance. It says, this month's palette blends the understated richness of red jasper with copper and peach accents for a timeless look that wears easily through the holidays and into the new year. Red jasper gemstones include a donut pendant, bold barrels, and round beads in 2 sizes. You'll also find a full strand of microfaceted garnet beads, antique copper findings, and sparkling crystals in complementary colors. So I'm very excited for this box. Mine came late, so I watched a couple of the other unboxings from the other bead channels, and some of the people were upset because they wanted more of a Christmas box. But I will say I'm glad. Last year when I think it was last year when Bargain Bead Box sent out the box, they sent out the Christmas box in December. And the problem with that is we don't get it till like the 10th, and then Christmas is in 15 days, and to try and make jewelry to give it as gifts, or if you want to put it up in your Etsy shop and sell it or do whatever, you really don't have any time. So I was really happy that this month they sent us the Christmas box in November, because I got to make a bunch of things from it. I filmed videos for you guys, and you know, I just felt like I had more time to work with it because I wasn't so busy with shopping and, you know, cooking for the holiday season and everything. So I'm really happy that they sent it to us in November. So, and this is really pretty because these are earthy colors, but it's winter out there, and you can add stuff. I've got some really cool ideas for these. So I hope you stay tuned to my tutorials that I'm going to do with this, but let's start with the unboxing. So we're going to start out with the approximate 13-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads in copper metallic. Very pretty, very sparkly. I know they aren't the best beads like for bead weaving, like, you know, because they might cut your thread, but these work great with most projects that you work on. I still, you know, I still use these up every month in my stash. These are one of the first ones to go, actually. So very pretty. Number 2 is 1 meter of 2.5mm steel Rollo jewelry chain. So, and I love getting this chain every year. I do definitely use this up. I use this to make dangly earrings and attach the beads on and stuff. So I definitely go through this. Number 3 is approximately 15-inch strand of 6x4mm crystal rondo beads in matte magma. I think of Austin Powers, magma. I'm a big fan, so. These are so pretty though. They have a beautiful, the AB finish on them. Even though they're matte, it still has a shine to them. So it's a nice long strand. You could do a bracelet just out of these if you wanted to. And number 4 is 10 pieces of 10x15mm brass lever back ear wires. So these are really nice. So they open up like this, and then you put this through your ear, and then you close that up. So I use this, or I do the fish hooks. I don't mind the fish hooks because I have the little hypoallergenic backings that I put on them so they don't fall off. So these are nice. Number 5 is 10 pieces of 8mm crystal faceted cylinder beads in a light peach. These are absolutely beautiful. So pretty. Absolutely love these colors. Number 6 is 6 pieces of 19x16mm patterned coin charms. So this is the front, and then that's the back. These are really pretty. And if you wanted to, you could double these up. You could even glue these together if you wanted to make, you know, one thicker one. Some people do that kind of stuff. These are really pretty. Number 7 is 4 pieces of 25x22mm patterned coin and teardrop chandeliers. These are really pretty. You can see these up close. They've got the 5 holes there, and then that's the back of it. But these would be really pretty. You could use these for earrings. You could use these as a pendant and a necklace. There's a lot you can do with these. Number 8 is a 36 by 26 millimeter teardrop chandelier focal. There's 1, 4, and there's 7 holes at the bottom there. So this is the back of it. You know, it's funny because somebody thought that theirs was deformed. Oh, one of the other beaders, I watched her video. I think that's how it came. I think, I have the same one. That's weird. And then there's a hole right there. I think it's supposed to be that shape, like that. But I'm not really sure. But it's pretty though. Number 9 is 3 sets of 18 by 13 millimeter classic banded toggle clasps. So these are always good for using. I don't use these on bracelets because I feel like when you put these on bracelets, they come undone. But I like these for necklaces. That's pretty much all I use them for. But you can also use them in the front. You can have this coming down and then have like a pendant hanging there. There's a lot you can do with these. Number 10 is 40 pieces of 6 millimeter scalloped bead caps. These are antique copper too. I always go through these. I always use all of these when we get these. So they're really pretty. 11 is a 30 millimeter red jasper donut pendant. This is really pretty. You can see it's got all the texture in it. The veins and striations in there. It's really pretty. Number 12 is a 10-gram bag of 5x4 millimeter corrugated spacer beads. And these are good for all occasions. I've got some really cool ideas for this box, the colors I want to mix with it, so you have to stay tuned. Number 13 is 6-piece approximate 16 by 12 millimeter red jasper barrel beads. These are really pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Very pretty. Number 14 is approximately 15-inch strand of 2 millimeter microfaceted garnet beads. They're very tiny, 2 millimeters, but they're very pretty. They have a beautiful shimmer to them. These make really pretty spacers and necklaces. Sometimes when you have like a chunky necklace, if you put like 1 or 2 of those in between, you'll get that little hint of sparkle in between the beads. And it really can bring out the colors in your necklace. Number 15 is approximately 7.5-inch strand of 10 millimeter red jasper round beads. Very pretty. You can see all the texture in the beads. Very pretty. Very pretty. And last but not least is approximately 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter red jasper round beads. These are pretty too. Look at that. Look at that one right there. So pretty. See all the texture in there. So I was really happy with this month's bead box. I know some people weren't. You know, it's hard to make everybody happy. I liked being able to make all my Christmas jewelry back in November. And then this is jewelry we can get ready for the new year. And you can dress this up or dress it down. It can be rustic, or you can do some really cool pieces out of this. So I hope you enjoyed watching this bead unboxing. And don't forget to hit that bell, get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe as well. I have all of my social media below, my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. And let me know down in the comments what you thought of this month's box, if you were happy with it or if you wanted another Christmas box or not. And I hope everybody enjoyed this, and I will see you on my next video.